Tile spacers are a handy accessory used to help you with your installation. My name is Craig and I'm here to serve you through your tile installation. Grout spacers come in many different sizes, types, shapes, and colors. I even have a toolbox full of spacers. So the question is, which one do you need? Well, you need one that's right for your installation. Most all tiles have a suggested minimum grout joint, and this is the size of the spacer that you will need to help with your installation. These plastic pieces are stuck into the installation so that you have a consistent line across, vertically and horizontally, so your tile system looks uniform. If you're enjoying this material, please do me a favor, click that like button. Here at tilebar.com, we have a few different sizes of spacers from a 1/16 of an inch all the way to 3/16 of an inch. Now, by no means is that everything out there in the market. There are many different sizes, shapes, and colors, but some of ours are the best. And we like them because most sizes we carry are able to be left in your installation and grouted over. This will save you from the risk of having to remove them and possibly damaging the tile after you set. Find these spacers available for your project today at tilebar.com, and let's keep learning together and tile the world. If you loved that product, I know you're gonna love this one. Click right here, but before you leave, click the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up notification and the bell icon so you don't miss any future content.